Tap, 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 what's inside? 1, 2, 3, pop! Whoa! A red circle. Round red circle, watch it roll, bouncy like a ball. Let's go! Sunny found it, can you see? A red, red circle. 1, 2, 3. Tap, 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 what's inside? 1, 2, 3. Pop! Whoa! A blue square. 4 blue sides and corners neat. Very square is oh so sweet. Tap, 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 what's inside? 1, 2, 3. Pop! A yellow triangle. 3 yellow sides that climb up high. Greenie's triangle points to the sky. Tap, 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 what's inside? 1, 2, 3. Pop! Whoa! A green star. 5 green points that shine so bright. A twinkly star. What a sight! Tap and pop and play. Magic shape eggs out today. Circle, square, triangle, star. Look how clever you all are. Red and blue and yellow and green. The coolest shapes we've ever seen. Sunny, Berry, Greenie say thanks for popping eggs today. Wave goodbye and clap with glee. Come back soon for shapes count.